Want to check exactly which Android permissions the SHEIN app can use? This guide shows the full route without opening an account or changing any permission. Start on your phone's home screen. Swipe up once to open the app screen, then find the black SHEIN icon with the white letter S. Do not open SHEIN normally, because the permission controls are in Android settings. Press and hold the SHEIN icon until the shortcut panel appears. At the upper right corner of that panel, look for the small circular information icon. Tap that information icon. Android now opens the app info page specifically for SHEIN, and the app name at the top confirms that you are checking the correct application. On the app info page, look inside the privacy section. It contains rows named Notifications, Permissions, and App Time. Tap Permissions. The App Permissions page now separates access into allowed and not allowed. On this phone, the Allowed section says No Permissions Allowed, while Calendar, Camera, Files and Media, and Location appear under Not Allowed. Tap Camera to open the Camera Permission page. Android shows Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, and Don't Allow. The blue circle marks the current setting. To see how that marker works, tap Ask every time. The circle moves to that row. Now tap Don't Allow to restore the original choice. The circle returns to Don't Allow, confirming that SHEIN finishes this example with no camera access. The Location Permission page uses the same choices. Tap Ask every time. The blue circle moves, and Android reveals the Use Precise Location control. Tap that switch once to turn Precise Location off, then tap it again to turn Precise Location back on. Finally, tap Don't Allow to restore the original setting. The blue circle returns to Don't Allow and the Precise Location control disappears, leaving SHEIN with no location access when the demonstration is finished. Press back once more to review the permission categories. For a more detailed audit, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, choose All Permissions, and swipe upward slowly. This page explains the exact capabilities SHEIN may request, including calendar, camera, files and media, and location access. To recap, open the app screen, press and hold SHEIN, tap App Info, choose Permissions, and open any category to see its selected setting. That is how to check SHEIN app permissions on Android and verify the final access setting. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Android tutorials.